The elections to the next Vice President of India will be held on 6 August 2022. The announcement was made by the Election Commission of India. Article 56 of the Constitution of India provides that the Vice President of India shall remain in office for a period of 5 years and will be held on 6 August 2022. The winner of this election will replace incumbent Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. On 16 July 2022, Jagdeep Dhankhar, the then-serving Governor of West Bengal, was nominated as a vice presidential candidate by the BJP. On 17 July 2022, Margaret Alva was announced as the vice presidential candidate of the opposition parties by UPA. The vice president is elected by an electoral college which includes members of the Rajya Sabha and of the Lok Sabha. The nominated members of the mentioned houses are also eligible to vote in the election process. Voting is done by secret ballot. Under subsection of Section of the Presidential and Vice Presidential Elections Act 1952, the schedule for the election of the Vice President of India has been announced by the Election Commission of India on 29 June 2022. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.